guys! Today we're gonna be playing the Chowking Laureate spelling game. Body part. Pelvis.
Okay.
Appendix.
Arms. And nose.
Nose. Scalps.
C.
Calves.
Calves, yeah. Calves. Eye.
Internal
Ilong.
organs.
Pandi. Toe. Pansit.
Payan!
Yay! Try the Chowking Laureate spelling game too. And of course, order some Chowking Laureate to share. Bye! Audrey. Shut up. Shut up. Happy eating. Bye. Bye.
Bye!